Hello, I'm Beryl Nassasan, and this is Pink Diamond, the show that digs deep into the pink sheet markets to find diamonds in the rough. Now, if you've paid no attention to financial markets and looked at a recent chart at Dow Jones, you might be forgiven for shouting timber. But luckily, today's Pink Diamond is a specialist in that field. Keweenaw Land Association operates as a land and timber management company in the United States. The company offers veneer logs and saw logs used in the milling of hardwood furniture, flooring, and lumber, boltwood logs for pallet materials, as well as hardwood and softwood pulpwood logs. They also sell real estate properties, provide recreational and mineral rights leasing, offer wood scaling and inventory management services, and even sell sand and gravel. Keweenaw can trace its origins to the period immediately following the Civil War and now owns and manages a total of just under 185,000 acres of land, with 167,644 of these located in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and the remaining 15,846 acres located in northern Wisconsin. The company also owns and manages a little over 4,000 acres of both severed and attached mineral rights, located entirely in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Keweenaw's ownership includes over 173,000 acres of productive timberland, nearly 4 miles of inland lake frontage, over 4 miles along Lake Superior, and approximately 30 miles of frontage along major U.S. rivers. Approximately 2,500 acres are comprised of commercial, recreational, or city properties. When appropriate, the company sells or leases parcels for development. The firm has a market cap of $62 million, EBITDA of $2.5 million, and net revenue of $200,000. Return on equity is 8.75%. Return on assets is 3.06%, but the profit margin is extremely low at just 0.09%. The stock has a beta of 0.81, which means that it is slightly less sensitive to volatility than the overall market. Despite America's coronavirus-induced hibernation, Keweenaw stocks look fairly well positioned to recover to pre-sell-off levels. That recovery may be related to a share buyback program approved by the board of directors in late December last year. Under this program, Keweenaw may repurchase up to $1 million in aggregate value of its shares of common stock, where from time to time, shares may be repurchased in open market transactions at prevailing market prices. The timing of these purchases is determined by their 10b5-1 plan broker, and while still unconfirmed, a significant dip in price would have proved a great opportunity to execute. Technically, the stock has been in a multi-year downtrend, but prior to the shutdown, support at $66 had held since the start of 2019. That level will now present stiff resistance to any recovery. That's all we have time for now, but please make sure to do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions.